Good morning to the whole world. Good evening to some of them. Good night to some of them. Good day to some of them. But for me, this is the world that I wake up to. I get up in the morning and I come to this window. And the name of our place is the Quiet Place. This is where we get the name from. Every morning I spend an hour or 2 hours just being quiet here. Because the way you start your day is the way your day will go. And the way you end your night is how your sleep will go. If you find love and kindness in the morning, then that's what you'll find throughout the day. If you find anger in the morning, then that's what you'll find throughout the day. Things will bother you. And it's almost like being a torture. But if you get up and watch a bird, watch nature, and flow with it, then you have a great day. I mean, even if a bee stings me, I'm still happy. I don't get angry because I found that peace in the morning. And then in the nighttime, you have to do the same thing. You have to find the peace at nighttime. Go inside, find yourself, clear your mind out. Just put nothing but love in it. Quietness is where you learn the most from. I sit here in the morning and I meditate. I look at the trees, the little shrubs outside. I look at my St. Francis who loves the animals, who had a tremendous understanding of nature. Every morning I come out and this is my little peanut station for my squirrels and my blue jays. They come and get it. And blackbirds that come and get it. They take their so I got enough peanuts for the day. I always put new fresh water in for my little birds every day they come. And my hummingbird, I always have fresh hummingbird, depending, I change it every couple of days because they like to have fresh stuff, you know. And you can see here, now I'm starting to make a little, like a Zen garden out here. In a year or so, this whole thing will be grown up.